good morning.
How are you this morning?
I'm doing pretty well. How are you?
I'm good. I'm excited today.
Yes, it's going to be so much fun cooking.
I'm a big kid at Christmas, and today we're going to be doing Christmas cooking.
Oh, perfect.
And we're going to have a new spin on Christmas, a new thing, because in 2020, you know, we did everything new.
Yes, you never know what's going to happen.
So you never know from day to day. So today we're going to be doing some different things. Hi everybody, I'm Reverend Loretta Jones.
Hi, I'm Gabby.
And this is Cooking with Auntie. Our first dish today is deviled eggs.
Oh, I love deviled eggs. They're my favorite.
But we're going to do a new twist to them. We're going to cut the eggs in half. To take the yolk out. And we're going to put it in this little bowl. A little salt on them. I've already washed them and peeled them and deveined them. And we've been heating this pan with oil. It doesn't take the shrimp very long to cook. Yeah, see how it's sizzling there? And we're just gonna mash them. Take a little relish. I like a little relish, sweet relish.
Yeah.
Some people will put dill relish in it. And it gives it a different level of flavor when you put the dill relish in. We're gonna take some mayonnaise here. And let's put a little black pepper in it. Yeah, and the way I learned it as a little girl, take a little spoon, put it in like that. And there you go. We just put the shrimp in a toothpick, and that helps hold it on. Just regular toothpicks. Now we're gonna just put the shrimp on. Eggs are deviled eggs without paprika. So, when I grew up, I thought it was only to make it pretty. I understand it gives it more flavor now as an adult, but as a kid, I just thought it made it pretty. So, that completes our eggs. Now, well, it's been great today cooking with you.
Yes, thank you so much for showing me around the kitchen.
I love cooking. I love Christmas. All right, kids, bye-bye. Enjoy your Christmas. Don't be naughty, be nice. Because guess who's coming to town?
I hope you guys enjoyed cooking with us today. Bye.